Okay, because it's so incredibly dry here right now, I'm going to also add some garden gypsum to the bottom of the hole, and I'm going to put a little more of my TerraSorb gel down at the base of the hole, because these grasses that I'm planting today are so heavily rooted that I think they're going to soak up a lot of water relatively quickly once they get in the ground. So we adjusted the hole depth and put a little bit of a nice soil mix in the bottom. And I'm going to pull out any weeds or any other kind of tan debris that's still in this plant and just clean it up so that it has as much room as it can to push up new shoots and new growth. Now I'm going to add some more of my mix. Need a little more from my wheelbarrow here. When you put your mix in, you want to make sure that you get rid of all the air pockets around the base of the plant. You really need to get your hands in there and pack the soil well. And you just keep filling around the base of the plant. Simultaneously of adding soil, I like to add water as well. The mix can be kind of lightweight and dry, and the plant is going to soak up a lot. Now we're going to add some more soil mix, and I'm going to work that around everywhere. And this mix that's fairly dry is just going to absorb up all that water real quickly, and I'm going to pack it. I need to add some more mix to really fill in. And I'm going to backfill around the top with a little bit of the existing soil as well. This is the kind of sandy top layer that we have. And it's nice and packed in. And there you have it.